Hi, welcome to Arizona Mortgage News Update. I'm Mike Goblet, your Arizona Mortgage Guru. Well, here we are near the end of October, and the real critical questions. There are three issues right now that should really be at the top of the mortgage news, and that is, where are rates, where are they going, and what's going on with this new government program that's an extension of the HARP program. So I plan on covering all three of those topics in the next few minutes here. So where are rates? Well, remarkably, they are still very, very low. A 30-year fixed is still at about 3.875, maybe 4%, depending upon a couple of variables, with a no origination fee. 15-year are at 3.25 with no origination fee. So rates are still really low. But that being said, they are on their way up. The news has just been released in the zero zone that they feel they've solved the default issue with Greece, and it's really created a positive reaction on our stock market. In fact, in the last 2 days, it's up over 500 points. And that kind of positive progression has a negative impact on where mortgage rates are. So today in particular, they've really begun to take a climb upwards from where they were about 10 days ago. So that being said, what should we expect? Well, I think that they'll probably remain creeping higher. I think that we have seen the bottom for a while, certainly, but with the news that's going on about the euro, that's going to take a while to digest, and before they find anything wrong with it, or unless there's more news that Italy's now on the table to potentially default, and by the way, that's out there. I think the positive news that's going on with our economy about GDP and with the positive euro is going to put pressure on mortgage rates to increase. So now is really a good time. If you're looking to get near as low as you can, now might be a good time to look. So the other issue, the third issue that I talked about, is what's with the new government program that President Obama announced this week. And candidly, what it really is an extension or expansion of the HARP program that's already in place. Now, what is the HARP program? The Home Affordable Refinance Program. Well, it allows people to refinance their home formally even up to 125% of the appraised value on their first mortgage only. Okay? And now the new guidelines are going to be that, number one, there won't be a maximum loan to value. Number two, there also won't be an appraisal that's necessary. So this is really some exciting news for people that haven't been able to take advantage of the lower rates because they were too far upside down, especially in Arizona. This is true. Now, keep in mind, this isn't for everybody. Number one, your loan has to be owned by either Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. Number two, it has to be bought by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac but before June of 2009. So there's some issues, and we've run across them before, that a loan might have even been completed and closed like in April of 2009, but Fannie Mae didn't buy it until July or August. And so there are some real criteria out there that need to be watched and monitored as well. Now, also about the new program, it really is not due to take effect or be implemented at its earliest portions until December 31st or December 1st, and the total program till December 31st. So there'll be more to come on that. We're not sure what lenders are going to be available to support it, etc. So there'll be a lot more to come, as we'll probably learn in November as we have discussions with our various lenders. So I hope this brings you up to date as to where we are in the mortgage industry. Come back during November. I'll keep you more informed of what's happening with rates and what to look for with the HARP program if that's part of your agenda. So I appreciate you stopping at Arizona Mortgage News Update, and I look forward to you coming back. You can reach us here at 480-503-3533. I'm Mike Goblet. I look forward to hearing from you, and thank you.